Havelock Island Beach Resort right now, one of the best properties in the island. I've just checked in, so we are going through the procedure. Now we will check out the rooms and all the outlets which are here. So let's see, check out our videos to know more about the property. Hello, thank you. Thank you very much. A nice fresh cool coconut drink that comes with a welcome drink at this property. Cheers.
Welcome to your room.
Thank you. Wow, what a beautiful room.
Totally beach facing. Just open your curtain and explore the beach.
Wow.
And that beach is famous for scuba diving also. Your AC is working, fan is working, TV is working. Your luxury bed
Beautiful.
with both sides, side tables, intercom also we have, and table lamps also.
Thank you.
Then this is your mini bar
Okay.
with property and coffee amenities, and every day we are providing mineral waters in room, and
Okay.
this is your restroom. And with covered also, where you are getting bathrobes and sleepers with extra pillows.
Thank you.
Well,
Very nice.
Every amenities you are getting like luxury, hair, shampoo, shower cap, everything you are getting with hair dryer also, mirror, and your all amenities like right now.
Thank you. Nice setup.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. I hope you like our room.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And yes. Now you just check it out.
Wow.
This is your sea facing
Guys, this is the
luxury
view.
suite.
This is the view from the room, and this is the view I'll be getting up in the morning just from my bed with this romantic view.
Yeah.
View of Andaman Sea, here Bay of Bengal Sea, and it's fabulous. I really like it.
Just open your curtain and explore the Nemo Reef from your own bed.
So this is my beautiful room. This is the highest category of room in Havelock Island Beach Resort. These are the beach suites. That is what they call it. Beach facing small cottages or villas. So friends, I'm gonna take a deep in this nice bed. So this is the executive chef of Havelock Island Beach Resort. Right now we are at the beach of the resort here. Beautiful, beautiful setting. And as you can see, there is a live table. He would be making some tropical dishes, right? Some tropical salad, I guess, and some tropical drinks. So what is this drink? What is this
Yes.
salad you're gonna make?
Now I'm going to making pineapple mint salad,
Okay,
and this is this keeps of pineapple cutting,
okay,
and then there's mayonnaise
Okay.
and salt, and then peppers, and then this mint leaves.
So this would be a lovely tropical flavored salad, which is made out of pineapple chunks, mint leaves, and then they have veg mayonnaise dressing, little bit of salt and pepper. And I can see some drinks are here. What is the drinks?
Yes, this is 2 mocktails I'm making,
Okay,
and this is the pineapple punch,
okay.
and this is sea oak.
So this is, you can see the lovely carved out of fresh fruits. This is fresh pineapple. Inside there is a tasty cocktail which I'll be tasting right now. And this is another cocktail. So these are pineapple punch, and this is sea walk. Both tropical, very tropical in the flavor. So let's let the chef
Yes.
make his delicacies. I will step aside and you'll see the video. guys, I'm sitting here at the beachfront restaurant of Havelock Island Beach Resort. You can see the fabulous setting they have done for me. And right now I'll try my dinner, which is basically a seafood dinner and also with some chicken and maybe paneer. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my food. I'm ready to enjoy. I hope it will be yummy. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Sir, your grilled lobster.
Wow, this looks fabulous. You can keep it here.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh, smells nice. Beautiful.
Sir, your makhani roll.
Wow,
Paneer makhani roll.
nice. It's fabulous. So what all dishes you have, just bring all together. I want to see all the dishes and enjoy together. Oh, you can keep it here.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Snapper.
Red snapper is a lovely, juicy, yummy fish.
Welcome, sir.
So this is my dinner tonight, a proper royal seafood dinner, and not only seafood, I have some chicken and paneer as well, and I'm going to try. I don't know how much I would be able to eat all this or not, but I will try my best because these are looking amazing and yummy. Very lovely smell. Cheers. So I'm gonna try my lobster first. Let's check. So it's a beautiful style actually. They cook the lobster and then they stuff it inside. So that is the way you'll have to take out one lobster in small piece maybe, and then you taste it. That's yummy. So friends, right now I'm at the spa. This beautiful setup here is the spa at Havelock Island Beach Resort, and with me is Jenny and Nicholas, who are the massage parlor or spa staff. So I'll be going through some massage. Can you show me what are the massages and treatments you have here? So
This is your body treatment.
okay,
And this is full body relaxation massage. It's a soft and normal massage, and the pressure is also medium. And this is a Kalari Marma. It's a deep tissue massage. It's a strong pressure massage, and it can relieve the pain in your bone in your muscle also. And the next one is couple massage. First of all, aroma lemongrass oil for massaging your full body. After it, cleansing cream for massaging your full body again. And after that, a facial and head massage is also included there. And this is body scrub. Here we don't use oil. First of all, cleansing cream for massaging your full body. After that, scrubbing your full body again, and facial is also included there. And the next one is a head, shoulder, back and neck massage. The duration is 30 minutes, and this one is foot and cuff massage, 30 minutes. And the next one is full leg massage, and the last one is facial, 45 minutes.
so guys, they have a huge choices, actually a huge menu, from Ayurvedic massage to deep tissue massage with body scrubs to for cleansing your skin, leg massage, facial massage, and even for romantic honeymooners, you have couple massages. If any couple planning to come here, this is the place you should visit, Havelock Island Beach Resort. So I will go for the massage. Please check on the videos to understand what kind of massages are going on, and you will also see the setup. It's beautiful. It's open air, bang on the beach. So while getting the massage, you can actually feel the beauty around you, see the beach and the tranquility of it. So it's just gorgeous setup. I will do the massage and then I will let you know how the massage was like.